Hello everybody, welcome to Galaxy Place. Today, we'll be diving into the experimental world with magnets. Today, we'll show you how you can make a copper wire spin with just a battery and some magnets. But first, thank you all for 2,000 subscribers. Oh, and also, big shout out to my dear friend here. Anyways, let's get into it. For this experiment, you'll need 3 items: a AA battery, a copper wire, and a strong magnet. A little clarification, we need to use a neodymium magnet, not a normal magnet. And you'll need to make these shapes. However, I prefer it so that you ask an adult, as these shapes could be pretty hard to make. You will need these shapes because they are very important to our experiment, as the bottom end will connect to the magnet and the top end will connect to the positive end of the battery. Firstly, put the negative end of the battery onto the magnet like this. First, I'll be using this shape. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. But why does it spin? It's all thanks to the Lorentz force. It's a fundamental concept in the world of electromagnetism. When the copper wire completes the circuit between the battery and magnet, electrical current flows through it. The beauty of this experiment lies in its simplicity. Hold up. Where's my book? Book? Oh, it's over here again. I haven't used this book in a long time. It's gotten pretty old. Now, let's see what's inside. Oh, demonstrating complex principles like electric currents, magnetic fields, and how they interact to create motion. Wow, I never knew that. Did you? If you did, then tell me. Well, that was interesting, wasn't it? Remember, here with you was Galaxy Place. Don't forget to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. Bye. See you later.